Hey guys, so welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jeanette. I do like lifestyle vlogs, mom vlogs, school vlogs. If you really enjoy the content, please feel free to subscribe. It is free. And I have a cleaning day for you guys in store, and this little one is going to be with me pretty much all day unless his Nona and his daddy wake up. But they work the night shift. So we have that planned. I don't know how much I can get done today, but I already put away the dishes as well as the laundry, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that. Again, all my socials will be linked in the down bar below. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me on any of those or put a comment in the comment box. Okay, good morning everyone. It is 7:55 and I have a cleaning day to do. It's just a lot of cleaning, so I have a lot of dishes to do and I have a lot of stuff to do. But first I'm gonna make my son's breakfast. Okay, so here I am putting away some dishes from the previous day. And now I am working on baby boy's laundry, folding it, trying to get it put away. Come on, Pooey. Let's go potty. Come on, let's go potty. Let's go potty. He's helping me take him. Come on, let's go potty. Bye. And here you will see me working on some dishes, trying to knock them out of the way. But in a few seconds you will see that my son was not having it and I had to pick him up a couple of times, and even the cartoons were not working, so I ended up stopping, putting them down, and waiting until his nap time to finish them. Now it is day 2 of my cleaning. Here you will see me making breakfast again for my son. I'm kind of cleaning up as I go. This is day 2, bright and early at 8:30. I'm cleaning off the mantle here because sometimes with my son I just put things up there so that way he doesn't grab them. I took everything down, threw away all of the trash, and wiped it down. Okay, and then I am quickly wiping down the TV and the TV stand here. Okay, and here I am preparing to vacuum the floors. We have to vacuum at least like twice a day because we do have 1, a toddler, and 2, we have cats and dogs. So I like to vacuum pretty much twice a day, once in the morning, once in the evening. And I also, the next clip is going to be me vacuuming the couches so that way the hair can come off. Okay, so this is the last of my cleaning for these 2 days. I am organizing the mail, throwing away the mail that I don't need. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and also comment down below what you would like to see next. And have a great day, guys.